How to have no username on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to have no username on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here, select name and delete your current name. Then enter a single character like a dot, underscore, or invisible character. After that, tap Save to confirm. Now check your profile. Your username should appear empty or nearly invisible. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.